Wow, cook it this way and leave your people yearning for more. It's very delicious and they will always want to eat it like this. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for always coming back and watch my videos. To my continuing subscribers, may Allah bless you. To those who are just new on my channel, you're most welcome. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. In this video we are going to see how to cook this delicious meat in a different way. What you have to be with, meat, and this is olive oil. I have onions, it's already here. I have garlic, and I have, this is meat, this is a tomato paste. So let's now start. It's really amazing because it's very nice. Get a clean bowl and put your meat, as I'm doing right now. Put it in something very clean. Just follow the steps till the end so that you can learn how to cook it in this different way of cooking. It's really amazing. It's really very nice, very delicious. Then add some olive oil, just a little bit. And then this is garlic. Add garlic, and then put your onions, and then add this tomato paste. Then start to add the spices of your choice, any spice you want. I put just one small spoon of salt, and then I put a half small spoon of black pepper. Then I add paprika. It's called paprika. One small spoon, and then a half small spoon of turmeric powder, and then cloves. It's optional, but for me I love to put cloves in everything, the taste and its benefits. Then add cinnamon powder, just a little bit, and then cumin. This is chill. It's option. If you want, you put. If you don't like it, leave it aside. Anyways, put all spices of your choice. This is rosemary. Then after that, start to mix it all together so that these spices, start to mix it all together for like 3 to 4 minutes, so that every single piece of meat can get the taste of the spices we've put. Yeah, then after mixing everything together, then cover it and leave it aside for like 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes or 35 minutes, then get something of your choice where you're going to put your meat. Mine is here. And then add a little bit of olive oil, something very easy, but it's really so yummy. I wish you guys can taste on this meat. After that, put your meat in a pan. We are going to cook it. We are going to cook it from guys. Don't forget to give this my video a like, leave a comment in the comment section, then cover it with a foil and put it in the oven for like 40 minutes. I put mine. This is how it looks like right now. Hope you can see it, guys. It's really so nice. Can't wait, guys, to taste it. Can't wait to eat it. It's not really done. I'm gonna put it back for some few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's done. This is how it looks like, guys. It has a very nice, very nice scent. It's really so good. Just to watch this video to the end so that you can make it.